Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain what PayPal Pay in 4 is. It allows you to split eligible purchases into 4 interest-free payments, typically spread over a period of 6 weeks. This convenient option helps manage your budget, making purchases from $30 up to $1,500 more accessible without incurring any extra costs. You can enjoy your items now and pay for them in easy, manageable installments, automatically deducted from your chosen payment method. Using Pay in 4 is quite straightforward when you are checking out online. Simply select PayPal as your payment method at any participating merchant, then look for the Pay in 4 option within your PayPal wallet. You will receive an instant approval decision, and if successful, your first payment is due right then. The remaining 3 payments will then be automatically scheduled every 2 weeks. The main benefit of using Pay in 4 is the financial flexibility it offers without any hidden costs. You get to enjoy your new items right away, while the total cost is comfortably spread over time. Crucially, there are 0 interest charges, and you will not incur any late fees as long as your payments are made on time. Automatic deductions from your chosen method ensure a hassle-free experience. It is good to be aware of a few important details before using this service. PayPal may perform a soft credit check during the application process. However, this will not negatively affect your credit score. Your individual spending limit might vary, so always confirm that figure for your account. Remember, Pay in 4 is only available at merchants that accept PayPal and offer this specific payment option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.